chapter number 9, data handling. And there in this chapter, according to the title, first of all we will know about the data. What is the data? What do you understand by the data? So dear, data is a collection of numbers gathered to some information. If we collect some information, otherwise any information in numbers, then that information is known as data. For example, number of plants in our school, state-wise population of India, and third one, number of students in our school, class and section wise, number of students in our school. And next example, number of tables and number of chairs in all the classrooms. So this information, if you collect, then this information is known as data. And here data is two types. Number one, primary data, and number two, secondary data. So what is the primary data? So first of all, we will know about the primary data. Primary data means if we collect the information yourself, then that information is known as primary data. Means if you not take any help, any other help to collection the information, then this type of data is known as primary data. Okay? And if you take the any other help to collect the information, then that data is known as secondary data. What is the meaning of this, to take the other help? Means if I want some information, and for collecting this information, if you use radio, television, internet, newspaper, India Gazette, then this type of data is known as secondary data. If I ask you to tell me what is the population of India state-wise, can you know? You will take the help for this information, either internet, either newspaper, either television, and other India Gazette. But you yourself cannot collect this information exactly. For this information, you will take the help, internet, and so other things. So this data is known as the secondary data. Clear? Definition of the primary data. That is, if the information collected by an observer yourself, then this information is called primary data. Means if the information you collect yourself, then this type of information is known as प्राइमरी डाटा. अगर आप किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन को बिना किसी की सहायता लिए कलेक्ट कर लेते हो, एकत्रित कर लेते हो, तो इस टाइप के इंफॉर्मेशन को हम कहेंगे प्राइमरी डाटा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, क्लास एंड सेक्शन वाइज प्रेजेंट स्टूडेंट्स इन आवर विद्यालय. अभी मैं आपसे कहूं कि अपने विद्यालय में कितने बच्चे प्रेजेंट हैं, कितने स्टूडेंट्स प्रेजेंट हैं, उसका सबका प्रेजेंट ही लेके आए. तो आप जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन लाएंगे वो आपका प्राइमरी डाटा होगा. आप जाएंगे सभी क्लास में नोट करके ले आएंगे, तो this is known as primary data. The second example, number of electric bulb in all the classes, है ना. तो आप जो नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब है, अदरवाइज नंबर ऑफ फैंस, अदरवाइज नंबर ऑफ रॉड्स, इलेक्ट्रिक रॉड्स, you will count and note down in every class how much they are. Then this information is known as primary data. इसके लिए आपको किसी अदर की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आप सेल्फ काउंट कर लोगे कि किस क्लास में कितने इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब, कितने फैंस, कितने इलेक्ट्रिक रॉड्स लगे हुए हैं. तो इस इंफॉर्मेशन को जब आप गैदर्ड करोगे, कलेक्ट करोगे, तो ये इंफॉर्मेशन जाना जाएगा प्राइमरी डाटा. सो डियर, सेकेंडरी डाटा. नाउ सेकेंडरी डाटा मीन्स इफ द इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्टेड बाय एन ऑब्जर्वर विथ द हेल्प ऑफ टेलीविजन, रेडियो, न्यूज़पेपर, इंटरनेट, India's gadget, then this information is known as secondary data. For example, you can take number of teachers in all the states and length of the rivers in Uttar Pradesh. How many rivers and what is the length of the rivers in Uttar Pradesh? Then if you collect this data, then you will take the help of either newspaper, either the radio, either the television, either the internet or the India's gadget, anyone. So you cannot collect this information yourself. You will take the help of any one of the other sources. If you use the other sources for the collecting the information, then the data is known as secondary data. Clear?